Comrades, I have a simple message, and I want to just say one thing. When it is that we recognize that this government does not have your interest at heart, you just have to look one place. And a number of speakers had actually said it before, but I want to break it down a little bit more so you understand. How many of you in here have come with your $500,000 this evening? Put up your hand. How many of you have your $500,000 here this evening? Because since 2007, comrades, the Jamaica Labour Party has moved the debt stock by 60%, so that every single young person in this country owes close to 550,000 Jamaican dollars as you sit here this evening. What is even worse is that instead of providing opportunities for young people, they have cut the budget and is only spending $83 million for new training programs for young people. Now, if you know the young people population, you recognize that the government is only spending $165 on each of you. $165. When it is that Minister A-Step, according to Comrade Crawford, is spending $1 billion on a highway, he's spending $165 on you. The greatest expenditure that was seen in the youth budget this year was for juvenile centers. They increased that budget by $500 million to $800 million. Comrades, we're spending more money to lock up young people than we are to train them. And there is no wonder why when you sit down at the street corner and play a little domino and you see a little police car draw down, sometimes your heart going in your mouth. And comrades, I have been walking and I have a rural constituency. And sometimes when it takes you 2 hours to walk an entire place, it takes me 3 days. But we have the same young people. We have the same young people that want the same opportunities. And comrades, I tell them because it is the truth. And we must tell the youth the truth. And we must not dilute it. The People's National Party has done more for this country with your young people are concerned than any other government in the history of this country. And comrades, it is not for the unwarranted person to realize that if you want a reason to believe in your country and if you want hope, you must vote for the People's National Party. And so, comrades, this evening is a very special evening because it says to us that you are ready, that you want a change, and that you want hope, and that you see the People's National Party as your reason to believe. And comrades, if you believe, we will achieve and we will ensure that we deliver for your children and your mother and your grandmother's future. Comrades, thank you all so much, and we'll see you at the polls.